So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this makeup tutorial. This is my Nivea cream that I'm gonna use to moisturize my face. This is something I usually do before I start my makeup just because my skin is really dry and needs it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some Tarte concealer on my eyelid and blend it out to prepare it for my eyeshadow. Now with my Sasha setting powder, I'm going to go over the concealer that I just added on my eyelid and set it in place. Now I'm going to use my bronzer from Morphe and I'm going to apply a little bit right under my eyebrows going down to my nose. So the palette that I'm going to be using today for my eyeshadow is called The Festival by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start off with this orangey tone right here, and this is going to be my transitioning color. And I'm just going to blend it out going into the contour that I added previously. I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease using the concealer I was using earlier, and as you can see I already did one side, so I'm going to do the other side just like it. I'm going to go in with this pink right here in the middle. And I'm going to add it from the outer corner coming in towards the middle. Not directly in the middle, but close. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this silver one right here. And I'm going to add it from my inner crease going straight out to the pink. Now I'm going to make sure I blend them both into each other. Then I'm going to put some eyeliner on and my eyelashes and then start with the face. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some Garnier serum cream onto my face, and this is going to work as my primer today. This foundation I'm using today is Fit Me by Maybelline. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer, and I'm using the same one that I was using in the beginning of the video for my eyelid. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using the same setting powder that I was using earlier. And as you can see, I dab it onto the palm of my hand before I start to use it on my face. I did that because I'm trying to apply only a small amount onto my face, not a lot. So this way I'm only going to be applying like a light amount. And whatever is left on my sponge, I usually just go over my entire face with it. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this lighter setting powder on my face. This is my Fit Me from Maybelline, and after I apply it, I'm going to let it sit there for about 5 to 10 minutes and set. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe bronzer again and contour my face. Now I'm just lightly dusting away the setting powder that I had applied earlier. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of my MAC Skin Finish all over my face on top of everything that I already applied. I'm gonna apply some blush. This is my Blushing in Body palette from BH Cosmetic. From the same palette, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lip liner, and this is just a regular lip liner I got from the beauty supply store. I like to use the back of the pencil to slightly smudge out the lip liner, so that's what I'm doing here. For lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one from NYX on my lip. It's a matte lipstick. I really love it. I use it so many times in my videos. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some setting spray on my face. This one is Maven Beauty Rose Water. This is the finished look, guys, my pink and silver eyeshadow look. I actually recorded this video a while ago, but I never got the chance to post it, so it's a late post and I hope you guys can appreciate that. The hairstyle I'm wearing, I already posted it here on YouTube, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I will link it down in the description box below. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!